My name is Debbie, and I wanted to share with everybody my experience working with Tina. Before I started my remote training with Tina, I think my greatest struggle was consistency. I would go on spurts of working out, and it never really stuck. Um, in my younger days, I would go to the gym pretty consistently and had a friend that I would work out with and lift weights with. But that was really hard to do, obviously, during the pandemic, especially. And so I really appreciated Tina's check ins. I appreciated the variety in her workouts, and I think that that really helped me with consistency, is knowing that I had to be accountable to her. One of the big wins for me since starting training with Tina was actually being able to do a push up for the first time. I don't know, maybe in my whole life. I've always known that weight training was important, but I had never really emphasized like arm strength before. And so it was nice to have that as one of the goals. And I'm really proud of myself for getting there. In terms of working remotely, that's actually worked out really well. During COVID times, I really don't want to be in a gym. And so just with sort of the basic free weights and, things that I've bought from Amazon, I've been able to have very satisfying workouts. And I think that in terms of working with Tina and having her, send me little reminders and things like that, it's worked actually really well. And it didn't feel like it had to be in person.